What's up everyone? Corey Parks again. Wanted to shoot a quick video on what does it cost to level the floors in your home. Some of the things that goes into that is looking at how much flooring needs to be level. Is it your whole house? If it is your whole house, we got to look at what's the square footage of that house. If it's just a certain section, what's the linear footage of that section? Are we talking about a 5-foot area or are we talking about a 30-foot area? A lot of that's going to be factored into the cost. Are we going to use jacks or CMU piers, also known as cinder blocks? Some customers prefer jacks because they're easy to adjust in the future. You know, should things settle and kind of flatten out a little bit, we can go in there really quick. They can do it as a homeowner or we can do it as a contractor. Jacks is probably our preferred method, but some homeowners prefer the CMU piers. When we're going to do the leveling, is there any rotten or termite damaged wood that we're going to be lifting? If so, we can't lift on damaged wood. We'll just simply crush that wood. So we have to replace that wood. Also, do you or does the customer want a structural engineer sign off or county permits involved? We always recommend the structural engineers and the county permits, but we understand that some customers don't want it. And we also understand that there are certain situations where, you know, if we've got multiple engineer reports wrote before on the same thing, it may not be needed. Lastly, are we wanting to use an I-beam or we want to use wood to do the leveling? A lot of our customers prefer I-beam. It's a lot stronger, a lot stouter, and really the cost I-beam versus wood is very minimal. When we talk about cost, let's talk about a 15 to 20 foot section that's unlevel, which is typical of what we see. It could be sagging or bouncing floors, or it's just tilted one way, needs to be lifted. So for an average job of 15 to 20 foot, you're looking in the ballpark of 12 to 14,000. That's what a lot of our customers have paid in the past, and that's a good example of where we'll be. Hopefully this helps answer some questions. We look forward to seeing you and talking soon. Thanks.